Happy Friday. Happy quiz day. All you have today is the quiz. There's going to be no assignments as long as you've gotten all 4 of them turned in this week. Remember, you have your introduction video, you have the frame worksheet, you have the character worksheet, and yesterday's decision-making model worksheet. So you get 1 attempt today at the quiz, get it done by midnight tonight, and then you have the rest of the weekend free. So today, quiz 1, you're watching this video here. Okay, task 2 is just take the quiz, do your best. You must take it by midnight. Task 3, enjoy your weekend. There's no homework. Hopefully it's nice out. And I'll see you guys on Monday. So to do the quiz, you're just going to click right here. And it should take you through. So there's 10 points worth of questions. Again, you get 1 try. Make sure you guys submit it, save it. I'm not sure exactly what it's going to ask you guys. But if you click on it, it should just take you right there to attempt the quiz. So good luck.